What TechMD does is we help organizations manage, support, and secure their IT infrastructure.
We provide IT to companies that don't have their own internal IT. We really do everything from remote support to on-site support with all their IT needs.
Process Street is a digital checklist, but it really helps create standardized processes for us to follow so anyone can come in and do a process that they might not have any idea how to do.
Process Street, having all my steps and processes there just makes it so much easier for me to reference and less for me to remember.
Prior to Process Street, we had really no way to track the accuracy of our processes. There was just no visibility.
We're an IT company, and as you can see, each of us, we have at least 3 to 4 monitors at our desk. Being in IT, we're trying to juggle a lot of different tasks, and we really have to stay on top of them. So being efficient is extremely important for us.
Some of the frustrations we had before using Process Street would be lack of accountability, not knowing who was assigned what.
Initiating a project is always a lot of work for whoever the project manager is. I love that Process Street auto-assigns resources to tasks. So as soon as I create the checklist, it's already assigned to the people that need to do the tasks.
Process Street has been instrumental in helping us scale our organization. We've probably grown at least 100% since we've started using Process Street.
Before, we were kind of just maybe going in blindly to some processes and missing some steps here and there.
It simplifies the process and we no longer lose workstations like, oh, this has been here for a month, but no one's sent anything over.
Pre-Process Street, we had an onboarding that was open for 8 months. And now I'm closing them in weeks.
And really, I don't think there's a single department that isn't leveraging Process Street in one way or another.
Just the communication to check in on people on status and follow-up probably saves me an hour, 2 hours a day.
So yeah, life is a lot easier now that we have Process Street. I can just do it all from my desk in one spot, which is really convenient.
Once you've tried Process Street, you won't ever want to go back to not using it.
Having used Process Street for a number of years, I have no idea how other companies do it without a tool like Process Street.
It's a great platform, and I think it works in any type of industry and any business, and I think it'd be a great help for anyone that's got a lot of plates spinning and they got a lot of processes they need to remember. It's a great platform.